neutralizing the spots. Water's in a, I say 2-3 foot here, but this pocket looks good. There's one up ahead we're gonna try to. See if we can't get some fish. All right, we have made it to the spot. So, let's get casting. Yeah, I knew that was it. Listen, how are you not setting the hook? I literally can see your line going away. Got him. Need to take it. Oh, this one's even bigger. Nice. This is a bluegill. It's not a warmouth like the last one. That is a regular bluegill. I like the warmouth better. Listen, you have to actually set the hook on these fish. I got You're it. You're just letting them. I've got like one time. Nice little bluegill. All right, we're gonna move on now. We have caught about everything out of this pocket. Not everything. We can still catch fish here for a while, but we want to catch a bass out of the creek. So we are going to move over to that side. There's some pads and stuff over there, and hopefully we can hook up on a largemouth. That'll be a good end of the day. It's got dang bluegill. Got it. Is that a bass? That looks like a bass. Is it? Not a bass. It is a decent sized shell. Alright, came back here. That is fish number 1. Absolutely beautiful colors on that. Creek fish are just, they're another level of pretty when you get them. But I'm gonna let this guy go. I don't want to keep him out of the water too long. 2-pound bass. No. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. No. Stop, buddy, stop. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my gosh. Wait, hold on. Oh. Out of a creek? Are you kidding me? That's like a 1.5 pound fish. Oh. Hold on, I gotta get close to the camera for this. Look at the quality fish that I just got out of this tiny creek. That is ridiculous.